Hello my people, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of GryMo TV. My name is Grace and I'm so happy you could stop by. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in and feel so much welcome. If you're coming back, feel so much welcome as well. I truly appreciate your support on this channel. I would kindly urge those who haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. Press the red button down below this video to subscribe, and also make sure to press the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing a very easy breakfast recipe. I'm going to be making the breakfast wraps that you can see on the plate, and they are very easy to prepare. And without wasting so much time, let's get this show started. Please make sure to watch until the end, and also share your comment down on the comment section. I would really love to hear from you guys. For this recipe, the first thing I had to do was prepare the butter, and I used 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and then I mixed this together and added 3 cups of water until my butter was liquid and runny. Also guys, remember you can adjust this recipe to your preference. For example, if you want to make a smaller batch, then you can reduce the amount of ingredients, that is the quantity, or if you want to make a bigger batch than this one, then you can double the amount of ingredients used. I also added a 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Once the liquid butter was ready, I went ahead to add some parsley. You can add as well coriander, or you can just use it as it is without adding anything. It will still do the job. I just love an extra taste of some freshness in the butter. For the topping of the wraps, I just chose to go with what I had in my fridge at that time, and so I used a cabbage and some omelette that I'm going to show later on. For the cabbage, I just sliced thinly and then added some salt. I let this sit for a few minutes, like 15 to 20 minutes, while I got the rest of the stuff ready. Over to the pan now, and it's time to cook. The first thing was to heat the pan, and then of course I added some cooking oil on it, and then I'm going to prepare my wraps until they are ready to serve. And by the way guys, you need to cook this on a very low heat because the liquid is very runny, so that they don't break due to high heat, or just cook on the outside and the inside is not well cooked. You need them to cook through, so make sure your heat is at a low, and once they're browned on both sides, then they are ready. Next thing on the list is the eggs, and I'm going to be frying these eggs on a pan. And for seasoning, I just used salt. You can also add black pepper or any other spices of choice. Back to the cabbage. It's been 15 to 20 minutes now. I'm squeezing off the extra water from the cabbage and just getting them ready to serve. Next step, we're back to the eggs. As you can see, I just managed to make 3 of this, and I just went ahead to roll, and then I sliced them into thin or medium slices. Now to the final stage for today's recipe is the plating, and I'm just layering out my ingredients on this wrap. And the first thing was the cabbage that we prepared, and then I topped it up with mayonnaise. If you don't like mayonnaise, then you can just skip this part and add whatever other things that you prefer to add. I'm also doing some mustard on it, and then I'm going to top up with the eggs that we sliced and some ketchup. I also added off camera some tomatoes and cucumbers for the rest of the wraps, and some chili sauce. It's really nice and brings in a very it adds a kick to the wrap actually when you add the chili and any other ingredient that you would choose to have. Guys, please remember, this is not not limiting the options to just cabbage and eggs. You can explore whatever it is you have in your fridge. Don't feel limited to these options. You're free to explore, you're free to add whatever it is that you prefer to add, and I'm sure it will be as delicious as these wraps that I made as well. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. As always, I truly appreciate each and every one of you. May God bless you so much. Hope you're keeping safe, hope you're staying safe. Until my next video, see you and God bless you so much. Bye bye guys. Please remember to subscribe. Bye.